everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to add credit card to LinkedIn campaign. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to your LinkedIn. So in your browser, just search for LinkedIn Campaign Manager, this one. And then just open this one right here. Tap on this one. Let's just wait for it to load. So once you're here, you just have to log into your account if needed. And now to add a credit card on your LinkedIn, just go to account settings, tap on the drop down menu and then tap on billing, or you can see here all these. And then this is the payment method, and here you can see a button where it says add credit card, so we'll tap on this one. And then from here, you just have to fill in the information needed for you to add your credit card. And that's basically it. You just have to tap on save once you're done and confirm. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!